Hey, friends, it's great to see you back again. And today for the alphabet, we are doing the letter P. And again, this is the series where I have done all the research and put things together for you so you don't have to, and you can spend your time however you like. Hopefully, maybe in a nice bubble bath. I love a bubble. Anywho, now let's get to what we're here for. And I'm gonna be a floating head. Woo, ta-da! And animals. All right, so here are some pea animals. That sounded weird. And here are some more. Let me get out of the way. All right, and some more, quite a few today. And then our books, pancakes and pigeons and penguins, or sorry, puffins. That is not a penguin. All right, and our crafts and food. Kind of a lot of food today too. And our recipes. So we have perfect pancakes, and I gave you the instructions to make these, but if you want to make other shapes, feel free to. Be creative. And then a pigeon puppy. Oh, and this was it's super easy, but it's so cute. Little Paddington sandwich. And little pigs in a pigsty. I think those are probably the cutest edible eggs that I've ever seen. So there you go. And then Cheeps and Songs. All right, my friends. Well, I hope you guys had a fantastic listening and seeing experience today. I know I'm running out of things to say, so but remember to please follow me so I can get more followers than my daughter. That would be greatly appreciated. And check out my books on Amazon. Christmas is coming. They'll make a great gift. So bye. See you soon.